My video is about getting rid of pop-ups that display pretty scary message. The pop-up says, HandlerKeynoteAgent will damage your computer. You should move it to the trash. Basically, this alert is a good thing. It means that your Mac OS security system has blocked the adware from installing into your Mac. Very often these pop-ups, HandlerKeynoteAgent, appear after people mistakenly download and try to install some fake Adobe Flash Player updates. There are some pop-ups in browsers that periodically tell you that you need to install some update. However, that is a fake software update, and if you install it by mistake, you may see this message. Handler Keynote update will damage your computer. It means that your macOS was able to protect your Mac from being infected with adware. Of course, you need to click on Move to Trash, and thus you will keep your Mac safe. However, it could also mean that there is still some adware that tries to install itself. First thing you need to do is to carefully research your available Mac applications, and if you find that there is something suspicious here, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, a good idea is that you research your Mac with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus for your Mac. I suggest you to download it on the website combocleaner.com. Initially, the program called Combo Cleaner comes with the trial mode, so you'll see Combo Cleaner trial, but it has got some free features like disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. When you click on Start Combo Scan, you'll be able to perform the free research of your Mac using Combo Cleaner trial, and at the end of scan you will see the detailed report with the location of all threads that were found during the scan. At the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program will give you the detailed report about the kinds of threads that were found during the scan and about their location. You may go to the antivirus section and click on the link that says Review Results. So the program will have a list of all threads found during the scan. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of threads in Finder. You may right-click on each thread and get rid of it manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically. And you may click on the support button, which will lead you to a special page where you'll be able to specify your request, including the requests about getting the free trial key for Combo Cleaner with limited functionality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more detailed instructions on malware removal from Mac.